We have a lecture for today. For this time, fire technology and arson investigation. Pag-aaralan natin kung saan nagmula yung fire. Okay, let's begin with origin of fire. Saan ba nanggaling ang fire? In Persian literature, fire was discovered during a fight of a dragon of a hero. A stone that the use of a weapon missed the monster and struck a rock. Like a stone fort and human being saw a fire for the first. Bumugo doon ng apoy yung dragon. Doon sa may bato and then biglang nag-ignite. Then doon nila first time nakita ang fire. In Greek mythology, the Prometheus was bestowed with godlike power that he stole God's fire in it to humanity. Yan, galing daw po sa God's like. Yan. Next, historical background. Ano ba yung mga historical niya? Okay. The earliest use of fire by human may be occurred as early as 1.4 million years ago. Okay. Katagal na daw siya is 1.4 million ago. Evidence for the was found in Kenya. Sa Kenya daw po na kuha yung ebidensya. Mount of burnt clay near animal bones and crude stone tools, suggesting possible human campsite. However, the fire could be resulted from natural causes. Yan. Parang nasa campsite daw po siya. Parang kumbaga tawag sa atin is yung bonfire. Yan. Parang doon sila, nakaikot daw sila. Then sa tabi lang may animal bones. Yan. Homo erectus, a species of human lived about 1.8 to 3,000 years, was the first use of fire on a regular basis. Yan. Ang kauna-unahang gumamit daw ay ang mga taong tinatawag na Homo erectus. Yan. Next, scientists also found evidence that hearts dating back as many as 400,000 years in several parts of France. Mga scientists daw ay nakakuha ng evidence in France about 4,000 years ago. Homo erectus was the first human being to live equatorial Africa in large number of spread to other continents. May scientists believe the use of fire enable Homo erectus to adapt to any environments by providing light, heat, and protection from dangerous animals. Nagamit daw po nila yung fire para pang-protekta po sa kanilang mga area, sa kanilang pag may umatake sa kanilang mga hayop, yung mga dangerous, ay ginagamit nila yung fire para lumayo, may laban sa kanila. Okay. Fire may lighten family group as family congested around fire to protect their young. Homo erectus may have used fire to cook food. Yan. Ginagamit na din po nilang Homo erectus ang fire para magluto na kanilang pagkain. Okay. Next, we have here the personalities na include sa fire. Okay. John Walker. Sino ba si John Walker? An English pharmacist who invented first match in 1827. Siya daw po yung kauna-unahang naka-imbento ng posporo. Yan, John Walker. Anthony Lavoisier, a French chemist who proved in 1777 that burning is the result of rapid union of oxidation in other substance. Yan. Next, Thomas Alva Edison, an American inventor who was able to send an electric current through a carbon filament wire until filament becomes hot that gives off light. Yan. Yung parang sa mga bombilya, hinahaganyan siya and then meron po sa gitna. Yun dito, pero may wire dito. Yun po yung nagbibigay ng light. Yan. Parang pag nag-ignite daw yung carbon filament, yung wire, para pag mag-init, parang sa bombilya, yun yung nagbibigay ng liwanag. Yan. Becomes so hot and decades of light. Captain F.R. Dorch, first chief of Manila Fire Station. Yan. Benjamin Franklin, Union of Fire Company. Napoleon Bonaparte, first known professional firefighter in 1810, known as Cepilleux Pompiers in French Army. Sila po yung first professional na firefighters daw. Sila Napoleon Bonaparte. Then Richard Newsman, nakaimbento ng fire engine. John van der Heyden Dutch, who invented the fire hose. Augustus, Roman emperor, who credited of instituting a corps of fire brigades, vigiles, watchmen in 24 BC. Yan. Siya yung bumuo ng brigade vigiles. William Hasler developed a relatively new theory that better explains combustion and extinguishment. This concept helps explain the action of some agents, such as dry chemicals and halogens, that the fire triangle cannot accurately present. Hasler called this theory the tetrahedron of fire, which converts in triangle into four-sided figures resembling a pyramid. And si William Hasler, present niya ang tetrahedron. Siya yung nag-present. Wilhelm Stickel noted that there are three types of fire setters. Those acts has been asexual roots and may be found among pyromaniacs. Those who are sexually excited by hatching a fire, yan mga naglalaro sa fire. Those who are fire and as a defense setting fires during a period of enforced sexual abstinence. Those who uses fire setting as a total sexual substitute to free setter from undesirable sexual habit. Comfort, J.J. and Berkeley M. introduced a method of the measuring of smoke and HIT evolution from PIL. Sila yung introduce ng kung paano mo measure ng smoke. Paul B. Weston A. and Kenneth M. authored criminal investigation about arson cases. They observed that in arson cases, the victim or suspect or both may sustain fire injuries. Such injuries should be recorded by photography if possible, and must be verified by a medical examination and diagnostic. Okay. Sila yung nag-author sa pag-iimbestiga sa pagkasunog. Yung arson kasi, yun po yung case. Yan. Next. We also hear the chemistry of fire. Fire is a heat and light that comes from substance produced by the combustion of substance. Fire is also defined as the heat and light resulting from rapid oxygen, or in some cases gaseous chlorine with other material. When substance burns and heat and light are produced, it is the rapid oxidation of combustible material accompanied by the release of energy, usually from the heat and light. The light is form of flame in which is composed of glowing particles of the burning materials and certain gaseous products that are luminous at the temperature of the burning materials. Okay. Next, combustion. is the action of produces heat and often light. It is rapid oxidation of material. Yan, nagko-combust daw po siya. Oxidation is the chemical reaction in which oxygen chemically combines with the organic elements of combustible substance. Fire is usually through of a result of rapid combustion. Next, we hear the fire has been produced by two principal methods. Yan. Napro-produce daw po ang fire ng dalawang method. Ano ito? Number 1 is friction method. Friction is the rise temperature of combustible material to ignition temperature. In friction method, two pieces of wood surrounded by combustible material are rubbed together until the ignition temperature is reached. Yung sasabi nito, yung parang ginaganon siya yung stick. Ginaganon din sa halimbawa ito yung tabla, then ito yung stick, and then may combustible material dito. Yung mga kusot or yung mga dahon na tuyo, then rinarab nila. Yan. Ano ba yung kan? Stick groove method. A stick is rubbed into another piece of wood. Okay, example, stick groove method. Ito, halimbawa, stick ito, and then stick dito. Ginaganyan siya. Para makuha yung init. And karaming ginagawa ito sa kawayan. Okay, fire drill method. A stick is rotated around a pit. It is a stationary piece of wood. A stick is rotated breathing in the between of palms and hands of. Ito, parang ginaganyan hanggang sa uminit siya. And then dito, meron po siyang combustible material. Kasi nasabi. Okay, next is percussion method. Fire is produced by striking method. Two pieces of flint or by striking flint against pyre. Later, steel was substituted for the pyre. The flint and steel method prevailed through the civilized world unit about 1827 when matches came into use. Yung parang sasabi nito, example nito, is yung parang bato. Ginagawa siya para magka-course ng spark. Pag ginawa niya ng bato, may spark po siya. Then example na din po dito yung lighter natin. Yung ikot na lighter. Yan. Yung po yung example, gagawa siya ng spark and then may gas siya na lumalabas. Doon nakaka-produce ng fire. With matches, friction is used to heat tip of the match to point at which chemical in match head ignite. Yan. Yung sa match naman natin, yung sa posporo, kinukus ko siya para mag-ignite siya, then para makapag-produce ng fire. Fire may also produce by using lenses curved reflector to concentrate the rays of the sun in combustible material. Yan. Siguro nagawa niyo naman na to nung kayo, Boy Scout, siguro, yung rays ng sun, then direct dun sa papel, or kung sa anong combustible material, dahon na tuyo, then yung rays niya, parang laser ng init ng sun, yun yung nagbibigay ng init para mag-ignite yung combustible material. Okay, that's it for this time. Next meeting, everyone to make an advanced reading. Okay. Next of our test topic is the three elements of fire. And then, now, I need you to make an advanced reading about the lesson all about. Thank you and